Azza wa Jal is the Rabb. What is the evidence for that? We say it 17 times a day. Inshallah, everyone prays 5 times a day, yeah? Okay? So what is the evidence for that? Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Allah Azza wa Jal is the Rabb. You say that every time in your prayer, in your salah. So for the people here who say Rabbil Alameen 17 times, who can tell me what Rabb means? Since you say it 17 times a day. Huh? Rabb, what does the word Rabb mean? Creator, Rabbani, no, huh? Tarbiyah, close. Yes, it's a part of the meaning. Good, part of the meaning, huh? Lord, okay. Allah Azza wa Jal is the Rabb, mean He is the Khaliq, He's the Malik, and He's the Mudabbir. He is the Khaliq, He is the Malik, He's the Mudabbir. He's the Creator, He's the owner of everything, and He's the one who's handling the affairs of all the creation. Al-Khaliq, Al-Malik, Al-Mudabbir, that's what the Lord Rabb means. So Allah Azza wa Jal, we believe in His Rububiyyah, means we believe Ifradullahi Azza wa Jal bi'af'alihi, to single Allah Azza wa Jal with His actions. Creation is an action of Allah. To own things is an action. To give life, to take life away, to give rizq, all of that is from tadbir. All of that is to handle the affairs of the creation, to give people provision, to take souls from people, to cause people to die, and to give people life. Singling Allah Azza wa Jal in these attributes. Meaning what? Meaning if we say, this guy over there, he also gives life and takes life. Then what happens now? What do we call that? Shirk. Why is it shirk? Because it's not singling Allah Azza wa Jal in His actions. You have associated another partner with Allah Azza wa Jal. And trust me, we do associate with Allah Azza wa Jal. Many of us associate with Allah Azza wa Jal, we don't even know it. Many of us associate with Allah Azza wa Jal, we don't even know it. Some believe that medicine gives them, the medicine is that which healed them. They don't understand that medicine is a reason, is a sabab, and the one who heals is Allah. The medicine is a means that Allah has given you, but the one who heals is Allah. Many of us will say, Alhamdulillah, this doctor is very great, I was healed because of him. No, Habib is not a doctor. Yeah, now you're encountering a problem, you don't even know you're encountering a problem. Many of us will say, on my mother. On your mother what, brother? Why are you making an oath with other than Allah? Why you're making an oath with other than Allah? We do these things. Subconsciously, people doing it. They're associating with Allah. You're making an oath with other than Allah. You only make oath with Allah Azza wa Jal. It happens on a day-to-day basis. You don't even notice it. You'll be finding because you didn't learn what? These things we're talking about. If you don't learn them, you'll be committing shirk in your day-to-day life. You don't even know you're doing it. So we said what? Singling Allah Azza wa Jal in His actions. Right? Singling Allah Azza wa Jal in His actions, meaning He alone is the one who does His actions, not like some previous religions, the Lord of Light and the Lord of Darkness, yeah? One does the Lord of creation, and then the Lord of giving provision, and then the Lord of war. And this is what? This is the opposite of that, of not singling Allah Azza wa Jal only in His attributes. So this thing of singling Allah Azza wa Jal in His attributes is very easy to come with. Those who believe in Allah, most of them are like, yeah, of course I agree, Allah Azza wa Jal is the one who created. Most people who believe in God, if not all, if you say to them, do you believe God created him? Say yes, right? You believe God is the one who gives life? You'll say yes. Even the disbelievers of Quraysh, did they admit to this or no? Even they did. وَلَئِنْ سَأَلْتَهُمْ مَنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ لَيَقُولُونَ Allah. You ask the disbelievers of Quraysh, but we still call them mushrikeen. Allah Azza wa Jal called them what? Allah called them mushrikeen, right? Allah said they are mushrikeen. Even though they say they believe that Allah Azza wa Jal is the one who created them. So it's not enough to say I believe in singling out Allah Azza wa Jal. That's why we're saying believe in Allah 4 things. That's why you need to know them. Because you could believe in 2, but doesn't mean you fully believe in Allah Azza wa Jal. So even the kuffar of Quraysh, even Iblis, some people's friend Iblis, he also believed in this. He said, what did he say to Allah Azza wa Jal? He said, Rabbi, my Lord, Rabbi. What does Rabbi mean? We said he believes that Allah is the Khaliq, is the Malik, is the Mudabbir. Iblis is saying it. He said it or no? He said that he believes that Allah Azza wa Jal is the Lord. But did that mean he's a believer now? You're going to see him pray next to you in the masjid? No.